Today, I'll show you how to set up an exit intent discount pop-up in Klaviyo. If you've ever wondered how to capture those almost lost sales right before a potential customer leaves your website, then this guide is just for you. Setting up an exit intent pop-up can be a game changer for your conversion rates, and Klaviyo makes it relatively straightforward. So, let's dive right in and get started with setting up this powerful tool. First, you'll need to have a pop-up form already created in Klaviyo. If you haven't done this yet, don't worry. You can easily design a pop-up form by navigating to the Sign Up Forms section in your Klaviyo account and following their intuitive design guidelines. Once you have your form ready, it's time to set it up to trigger when visitors show signs of leaving your site. Head over to the form you've created and you'll find a panel on the left side. Look for the tab labeled Targeting and Behavior. This is where the magic happens. Click on it and you'll see various options that allow you to customize when and how your pop-up will appear to your site visitors. Now, scroll down until you reach the section called Timing. This is crucial because it determines exactly when your pop-up will make its appearance. Among the various options, you'll find a checkbox labeled Show on Exit Intent. Check this box to enable the exit intent trigger. What this does is it sets up your pop-up to appear when a visitor moves their mouse towards the browser's close button or navigates away from the page. It's like a last-minute reminder that can entice them back with a special offer. Once you've checked Show on Exit Intent, you'll want to make sure that no other triggers are active. Exit intent should be the sole trigger for this particular pop-up. So, take a moment to turn off all other time or scroll triggers. This will ensure that visitors only see this pop-up when they're about to leave, providing a well-timed nudge without overwhelming them with pop-ups at other times. And there you have it, your exit intent discount pop-up is now all set. This method not only helps in capturing potential lost revenue, but also enhances the user experience by strategically placing an offer when it's most needed. Remember to keep your pop-up message clear and compelling. Offering something like a special discount or free shipping can make a huge difference in convincing potential customers to stay and complete their purchase. By following these simple steps, you've added a powerful tool to your marketing arsenal. With the exit intent pop-up ready to go, you're all set to start turning those near misses into successful conversions. So, keep an eye on your analytics to see how well your new strategy performs and make adjustments as needed to keep optimizing your results. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your exit intent discount pop-up in Klaviyo. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your online business success.